Hi beauties, welcome to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. For today I wanted to do a really fast look. I'm in a hurry right now, so I actually need to go. So since I was in a hurry, I was like, okay, let me hurry up and record how I actually really do my makeup when I'm in a rush, so that you can see, like, if you only have about 15-20 minutes, 30 minutes to do your makeup, then this is some of the steps that you can do to cut down on the time and still have a nice glam everyday look. So this is what we have. If you are interested in seeing how to get this look, then please continue to watch. Please also continue to like, share, and subscribe. You guys, we reached 500 subscribers. I am so happy and I'm so blessed and thankful for you guys. And I just really want to try and do a giveaway soon for my 500. So stay tuned for that. And just thank you guys so much for your support. Please continue to just let other people know about the channel so that we can grow more. So thank you so much again for 500 subscribers. You guys have a wonderful day. Bye-bye. Alright beauties, let's get started on this look. So this is I have like 20 minutes look. So what I'm going to do is place the products that I use in words underneath, but I actually am really in a hurry. So I wanted to just show you guys what I do when I'm in a hurry and how I get my makeup done fast. So Alright, beauty, so this is the final look. This is my if I am in a rush and trying to get somewhere look, and it was really fast. I did it in about 30 minutes. I could have done it a little bit quicker. I just had to have my products ready, but if I'm in a rush, this is something that I would do. Just some mascara and the lashes, just a neutral cut crease, a little contour with powder, and highlight, and a neutral lip. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope it was helpful. I'll definitely make sure to let you guys know all the products that I use in the video. So have a wonderful day, and thank you guys so much for watching. Bye bye.